Hey, John Crestani here, and I'm going to show you how you can make money working from home online with the Super Affiliate Network in this video. I'm going to show you how you can get high ticket commissions. I'm talking thousands of dollars from a single click online, a single sale online, and also how you can get free training on how to do affiliate marketing. I'll also be going over some terminology which will help you understand this entire industry. I'll be doing a walkthrough of everything on the computer to show you this affiliate network and how to use the interface, how to get your links, how to get paid, how to promote this. And at the end of the video, I'll be giving you a free link posting software so you can get your affiliate links out there automatically without really doing a thing. I'll also give you free access to our community so that you can be part of my affiliate community, interact with others if you need any help. And I'll also be giving you some bonus resources that I'll be showing you exactly where you can access them if you want to get started making money online. So let's get to my computer. I'm going to go through the pros and cons of this affiliate network compared to other ways that you can earn money online. Let's get it. Okay, so here we are in the Super Affiliate Network website. By the way, for those of you wondering, yes, I am a little bit tanner. Yes, I did get a haircut. I have a big film shoot or infomercial shoot this next week. So I actually got a spray tan. It was recommended by my barber. He's really weird. He said, oh, look good. So let's get into this. If you want to follow along, make sure you go to this website, johncrestani.com/networks. That will bring you up on this sheet where you can see all of the affiliate networks I've currently reviewed, including the Super Affiliate Network right here, which I've put in bold, and I'll go over all of the pros and cons, and I'll explain how I looked at all the criteria in just a little bit. But let's get right into the walkthrough of this interesting affiliate network. So first off, as you can see, it's built by affiliates for affiliates. The founder of this is this guy, Misha Barton, lives in true lifestyle entrepreneur, lives in Hawaii, fairly young guy, very smart guy, and yeah, as you see, Hawaii right here. And they have a pretty good program. I'm actually an affiliate of this. Now, here is the dashboard once you log in, and what you must know is that this is free to join, okay? This whole thing is free to join, and you can be accepted from any country, anywhere in the world. So again, anybody, anywhere over the world, please, let's see if I can go a video where some ignoramus does not ask me, does this work in my country, or can I do this on a mobile phone? Yes, you can do this no matter what age you are, any country, mobile phone, tablet, PC, whatever, you can do it there. And just to explain this, this is actually me. I don't know why this was the only picture I had, but this is an older picture of me before I had a beard. Now, as you see, I've been an affiliate of this program. I've earned a little bit, not very much. I don't really actively promote this program. Now, let's explain how this works. So what's interesting here, we can see there's leaderboards, which I'll explain in a little bit. I send a lot of leads, but I don't get a lot of sales. They have a sales leaderboard. So it's a very competitive program. And what's really cool here is they have a lot of events too, where, you know, this is what's called a multi-level marketing company, or very similar to a multi-level marketing company, meaning you can get in for free. You can get free training when you sign up, and then there are multiple upsells, probably like, I don't know, 100, starting with, you know, anywhere from a couple dollars to $20 to thousands of dollars. Now, as you can see here, I just clicked under the referrals area, and I'm looking at the people I've referred into the program. And you see that customers pay, you know, they pay anywhere from a few bucks. So you can make a few bucks from somebody to a few $100, as you see right here. I made $300 with this one referral to here's $1,198 from a single click. And what people do is they going through the training, going through the program, going through the events, You get paid on the lifetime value of the affiliate. So if somebody signs up for the free training from your affiliate link and they end up buying the starter program, they end up going to an event, and then they end up buying a $20,000 training, or you get something like 50% of that. So you'll get $10,000. It could be 2 years later. It could be 3 years later. So what's nice about these sort of MLM-ish type affiliate programs with kind of ascension models is you send customers and you can be making money for years to come, even if you've stopped promoting, because people are in the community. People are still actively doing stuff. Now, where you would get your links to promote this program is right over here in the menu bar. So you can see my links, and you can see right here, we can generate links here. You know, let's say we want to promote the standard Super Affiliate Network, SAN, okay? So what we would do is we would copy our affiliate link. Again, you can do this on if you can copy a link on a mobile phone or a tablet, you can do this. And then you'll get your landing page. And if people go here, this free, discover the controversial plan to generate a full-time income, part-time hours from home. Again, you guys can sign up for this. You know, make sure to sign up for the $20,000, $50,000 program. And we can enter in, you know, an email address here. And then we are what's called a lead. And also we are in the funnel, meaning, you know, if we sign up, now we've signed up for the free training, but we can also sign up for the $1 product, and, you know, then whoever referred me, or in this case it's myself, gets half of that, so they get like 50 cents, and so on and so on, if people buy into other stuff. Now, one of the keys to promoting these sorts of programs is making sure that you promote an MLM type program that has a strong community. Because again, you want something where once people get in, they get quality product, they get, you know, of course you always want to promote quality product, but you want there to be a strong community, because otherwise people will not buy into the other products and they won't stay involved. Now, in regards to the Super Affiliate Network, a few important terms to understand is, first off, if you don't understand what affiliate link is, an affiliate link is basically, it's a link that shows when somebody clicks on it, and buys a product, it means you get credit, okay? It shows that you referred that customer, just as if your friend owned a coffee shop or something and you sent them a customer and they said, if you send me customers, I'll give you half of whatever they buy, or I'll give you a couple bucks if you send me a new customer. That's how affiliate marketing works, but we use what are called affiliate links, okay? Now, leads are interesting. Now, if you heard me mention just a second ago, once somebody puts their email address in, they haven't bought anything, but what they are is what's called a lead. So even though that customer has spent $0, if they end up spending money, you know, let's say they spend $20, you will start getting money, okay? That's a lead. Now, if you send a lot of leads, again, you may not make money initially, but over time, those leads can turn into money. So if you get 10 people to sign up for this program, even if you get one person to sign up for free training, and you're saying, oh, woe is me, they didn't buy anything, I'm not making any commissions. Hold up and wait, because that lead, over time, Super Affiliate Network will send them emails, they'll send them text messages, they'll invite them to webinars, they'll invite them to other events, and they'll involve them in their community. And over time, if they end up buying anything, that lead turns into money for you, okay? And if it also, let me know at this point if this is just going over your head and it's so confusing and you're like, what, I just want somebody to give me money. You know, I saw this like free PayPal money from Big Mark before you, John, or something like that. Let me know if this is going over your head. Let me know if I should slow down and explain more stuff, or if I should speed up and just not even talk, you know, all this is, you already know all of this stuff. So slow down in the comments or speed up, okay? That will really help me help you. Because ultimately, I mean, I don't know what skill sets you guys are all at. I know this stuff from like, this is like all simple stuff to me. Cool. So let's get to the next stuff, leaderboard, okay? Leaderboards are interesting. Usually they're used in business opportunity programs. They're used to motivate people. They're used to help make affiliates more aggressive. I really like this because I'm aggressive. I'm competitive. Leaderboards also oftentimes come with bonuses or prizes, okay? So if you hit the leaderboards, and if you're sending lots of customers for a company, you'll be recognized, you'll get community recognition, you'll get invited to the events at Super Affiliate Network for free. They'll invite you on stage. I don't know, I probably could go to the events for free and they'd like, be like, yo, here's the leader, John Crestani. But I mean, I don't know, that doesn't really interest me. So bonuses, prizes, it's fun, okay? High ticket means that you can make, usually it's more than, usually $500 and above in an affiliate program from one click, okay? So affiliate programs where you can make just tons of money from one click. Positive side of high ticket programs is, for some of you, if you're in India right now or Pakistan or like Algeria, like $500 is like what you earn in like a year, or in a month or whatever it is. Maybe in like Algeria or something, $500 is like a year wage. But like, that's pretty big. So all you need to do is be able to get one sale and you've got all the money you need for like 10 years, okay? If you get a couple $1,000 commission. However, the downside of high ticket programs is usually they're more complex. And if it's just high ticket, it's usually hard to get a sale. In this case, Super Affiliate Network is easy to promote because they start off with a free program and then they take people all the way up to, $20,000 and, the really high ticket stuff. So it's a little bit easier with Super Affiliate System. But again, if you want those high ticket commissions, you're going to have to be a much more targeted affiliate, be much more involved in exactly how the system works, okay? And really figure it out for yourself. Now, if you're wondering how you can get traffic to this program, I'm gonna give you traffic. I'm gonna show you how you can find those videos. That's a separate video. I'm going to give you some link posting software, some free community access, and some resources. Let's get into it. Now, some pros and cons. I already went over some pros and cons of Super Affiliate Network. And if you want to sign up, make sure to just click the link over here that says Super Affiliate Network, or go all the way over to the right where my link is over here, and click my affiliate link and you'll go over to Super Affiliate Network and be able to sign up. There aren't a lot of downsides to this program. It's very targeted. I guess the downsides, if I were to go over them, is that it's just one specific offer. It's not exactly a large affiliate network. It's only got a couple different offers, all for, their program. The average commission, it's fine. I really like how they structured the program, how you can get people in for free and then make very large amounts of money for them. They don't have many tools to help you promote. Again, this is, I believe more of a lifestyle company for Misha, not like a software company, but they do their job. They're good at sales and marketing and events. It's very different from like a software or tools company. And, the cash out limit is very low. All you need to do is make $5 to start making money with this affiliate program. I've already made about $7,000 and I haven't cashed out yet, just whatever. So there really aren't many downsides to this program. I actually think it's well done, and they have daily calls within their Facebook group, which you'll get access to when you join. Now, if you want to get access to some of my resources and my free link posting software, when you are in my network sheet right here, you'll want to go down to this tab right there that says resources, okay? Again, if you are using a phone, first of all, shame on you if you're using it in portrait mode. Switch it to landscape mode so you can see this stuff more easily. I see you 15-year-old kids trying to scroll through the comments being like, yo, is this real, bro? Yo, is this guy a scam? Okay, I see you. And if I called you out, just type in I got called out. Okay, then we're going to go over to resources. And you'll see I have a number of things. So all of your free traffic methods are going to be right here. They're going to be in two places. You're going to have the resource link right here, which goes over all of my free traffic methods. You also have this area right here, which says get traffic for free. And it says John Crestani, start here. Once again, if I see any comments in this video that say, how do I get traffic though, bro? you are being banned from my channel forever. I'm tired of going over this. Just, you know, come on. So here, let's go through my resource, and you'll see these are free traffic methods for all of the major ways you might want to promote. Quora, Reddit, Craigslist, Tumblr, Pinterest, Flickr, DeviantArt, Eventbrite, Meetup, Facebook, Google, organic, YouTube live streaming, email list brokering, in-person flyering promotion, Facebook Marketplace, Pinterest ads, profession-based marketing, local events, Facebook job posts, classmates, Google ads, Snapchat ads, Twitter ads, Core ads, and email lists. So all of these free traffic methods you can find right there. Also, you can go to the Start Here link and find more free traffic methods in this playlist. Again, these are all the free traffic methods. If you want to get free traffic from Instagram, this video, from Facebook, from Google, you know, how to copy and paste ads for free, Twitter, texting people, answering questions. All of these are free traffic, different free traffic methods in about 10 to 20 minutes long. They show you how you can do this step by step. My favorite one, and the one I actually got started with in marketing, was earn $100 a day taping paper to polls. This is how I actually started making money before I even knew about affiliate marketing, and I thought this was pretty fire. So funny stuff there. But make sure you subscribe to my channel, put a like if you liked this video. Let me know if you have any questions and what affiliate networks you would like to see me talk about next. Last thing, software is right here. And if you'd like to join our community, make sure to check out this link, which is our affiliate community on Discord. Really cool place to chat with fellow affiliates, ask questions, interact with each other. Again, I can't talk to everybody. Everybody's asking me for my email. What's your email? What's your WhatsApp, John? I'm not going to give you my email or my WhatsApp. I have 1 million people that view this channel each month. I don't know why people ask me, so please stop asking me. So there you go. Looking forward to helping you guys promote. I suggest you actually sign up for all affiliate networks here, okay, to give yourself the best chances of getting approved to anyone. You have a bunch of affiliate networks here, all the links, you have all the information right here about what the offers are, how to join, who can join, what countries are excluded. Most of these don't have any exclusions. So I look forward to helping you make money online. Seriously, I want you making money online. The more money you make, the more money I make, because I have second-tier referral commissions on all you. So get started, make money online, change your life, and send my support people, or me, or whatever, a testimonial video once you do, because we have so many success stories at this point. It's really exciting hearing about everybody's success. People who have gone through my training program, or just people who've been watching my YouTube channel for the last couple years. We've been getting more and more and more recently. Really exciting seeing the influence that this knowledge and this learning is having on everybody's life. So look forward to talking to you soon. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and talk to you soon.